Hi guys, it's a favorite teacher Kaumajimaza, and welcome to Learning Science the Easy Way. So for those that are watching me for the first time, on this platform, I did sciences, physics, and chemistry. So I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be able to receive a notification whenever a new video is posted. So many other times, learners think speed and velocity is one and the same thing. Because even I used to think like that. But in this video, I'm going to discuss speed and velocity, as well as look at the difference which is there between speed and velocity. We're going to start with speed. So speed is the rate of change of distance traveled. The rate of change of distance traveled, or you can say speed is the distance traveled per unit time. Speed is the distance traveled per unit time, or you say speed is the rate of change of distance traveled. Okay, so speed is measured in meters per second, meters per second, or you can write it as this. You can use this one, or you can write it as that. So, and at the same time, speed is the scalar quantity, which simply means that speed has only magnitude. Magnitude, which is size. So speed has only magnitude, and that it is said to be a scalar quantity. So let's try to look at this example. If we have a moving object from A, we have point A and we have point B, then this object is moving at 3 kilometers per hour. So initially what we have here is the speed of this particular moving object. So therefore, the kilometers per hour is simply the distance covered per time taken. So here we are saying speed is the distance covered per unit time, the distance that is traveled by an object, and as well as the time that is taken. So therefore, speed is equal to distance covered or traveled divided by time taken. Let us now look at velocity. So velocity is the rate of change of displacement. Or you can say velocity is the change in distance in a specific direction per unit time. So we are saying a change in distance in specific direction per unit time. The change in distance in a specific direction per unit time. That is what we're calling as velocity. So velocity is said to be a vector quantity. vector quantity because it has got both magnitude and direction. So remember, when we were discussing speed, we said speed is a scalar quantity because it has magnitude, but it doesn't have direction. But for this one, we are saying it has got both magnitude and direction. So when you look at this definition, the second definition here, we are saying velocity is the change in distance in a specific direction. So it is specifying a certain direction to which a moving object is traveling to. So we have a specific direction per unit time. So that change in distance in a specific direction per unit time is called velocity. So velocity has got both magnitude and direction, hence said to be a vector quantity. Therefore, velocity is equal to displacement divided by time taken. Displacement divided by time taken, and it is also measured in meters per second. So meters per second. So now let's try to differentiate the two. So if we have an object moving at 6 kilometers per hour, this is speed. This is speed of an object. So that particular object is moving at 6 kilometers per hour. That is its speed, but not velocity. So now, if we say this particular object is moving at 6 kilometers per hour due south, then that is velocity, because we have specified a certain direction to which the object is moving to. So once you specify a direction, it means you are talking about velocity. When the direction is not specified, it means you are talking about speed of a particular object. So velocity has got both direction and magnitude. Then speed has got only magnitude. So that's why velocity is said to be a vector quantity, then speed is said to be a scalar quantity. So the difference is here. So if we have 6 kilometers, like I earlier mentioned, per hour, and we have 6 kilometers per hour, say due north, then this is the speed, then this is the velocity. I hope you followed through. Thank you for watching.